Welcome to 938 Fair Oaks, Oak Park, Illinois. This classic brick bungalow has the character buyers love, and now imagine it fully remodeled with a fresh, modern feel. Picture bright rooms, new hardwood floors, and natural light throughout. The living room keeps its classic charm with a beautiful fireplace and a sunroom that feels warm and inviting. The formal dining room becomes the perfect space to gather, while the kitchen is refreshed with modern cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and clean lighting. The rear family room adds a cozy second living space with another fireplace, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Upstairs, the bedrooms feel fresh and peaceful with updated finishes, and the bathrooms are remodeled with new tile, modern vanities, updated fixtures, and a clean glass shower or tub setup. The upper level offers flexibility for a private suite, office, guest space, or quiet retreat. Outside, the deep backyard is ready for summer cookouts, gardening, and entertaining, with garage parking and extra space that buyers will appreciate. This is classic Oak Park charm with serious modern potential. If you want character, space, parking, and room to grow, this is one you need to see.